So I shared this recipe with you, my Kenkey recipe and my peppers recipe, or my chilies, or my shito, or my meko recipe. Okay, so today I'm here to share with you the fish and the shrimps. Okay, so yeah, that is why we are here. It's very simple and very easy. That is why we are here today. I hope you're all doing well. Hello and welcome to my channel. Let's get into the video. So for the fish, I use fresh herrings, okay? So I'm going to sprinkle some salt on it lightly because these, I realized that they are able to absorb salt really, really easily. So just a little bit goes a very long way, okay? So just a little bit, you sprinkle, and I tossed it around and I let it sit for like just 5 minutes. You don't need to let it sit for long, seriously. You can just fry it straight away. Okay, so my oil had been heating and it's very hot, so I am dropping my fish in one after the other. So what I did was to fry it in batches, okay, like 5 at a time. Don't be tempted to crowd it or overcrowd your oil, else what is going to happen is your oil is going to cool down and your fish will soak more of the oil and your fish will become oily. Okay, so I chose this fish because it just reminded me of the kind of fish I used to eat with my Kenkey back home. Charlie, this fish, they don't do anything to it. They take it fresh and then straight into the oil. They don't remove the guts. They don't remove intestines, nothing, straight. Why would you now you are there? You flowers. So yeah, I decided to go that way, but like I couldn't. I had to remove some. Yeah. So with this, I didn't fry it until it's dried, okay? It was a bit soft because when you leave it out and it cools down, it hardens a bit. So don't fry it for it to be so hard like. So the next bit is our shrimps, okay? So I was, with this one too, the same feeling. I wanted to have that feel like when you go and buy, in Ghana you get. So I poured some water and I added some salt and I let it sit for about 10 minutes because this one has got very strong, big, hard shells, right? It's the big ones, okay? Now let it sit before I fry it. I decided not to take away the antennas, so that long things, you see, when you go and buy it from the dokunurano, the long antennas will be there. So I left it to give me that feel, okay? So yeah, I didn't do much to it. You don't have to. Okay, so very simple, very easy. I put it in the oil. It's fried. When it doesn't take long for shrimps to cook anyway. So yeah, it was very easy and it looked really nice on the plate. And I served it with that Kenkey we all ate last week. And I'm mudibi mankano kre and the pepper I made last week. And also mudibi me boa. I'm mudibi, but I could be cry again weight dada. I know, so you all enjoy this. So thank you all for joining me today. It's very quick, I know, but I'm going to bring you something special in the weekend. So stay tuned. Bye.